Hey guys, Pete here from Pete's Big Breaks. Busting up some Prizm football. Got 3 cellos, a hanger, 3 blasters, and a mega box tonight. Sorry about the minute delay. I broke a little bit of hoops basketball a minute ago. Had a bonus draw at the end, and it was a disaster. I kind of did it a weird way. I went by comments, and I had a boatload of comments, so I had to figure it out. A little bit of a dispute. I'm having my wife go through that comment list right now to figure that out for me, because I was a little bit frazzled. But now, this will be, I believe, is this Prizm Break number 3? This is the one that was listed on eBay. The auctions ended this evening. It's the only Prizm Break I was doing tonight. Albert, there were 3 unsold teams tonight. The Falcons were unsold, the Bears were unsold, and the Bengals were unsold. No, the Bengals were not unsold, and the Giants were unsold. So those were the 3 that were unsold: Falcons, Bears, and Giants. Go through a quick disclosure list. All the rookie cards will be sleeved. Your bigger rookies will be sleeved and top loaded right away. Try my best to do a hit parade at the end. I've been pretty good at it lately. Just trying to unfrazzle myself so we can start kicking this break off. The hoops break was kind of a bummer. We hit 1 jaw and 1 Zion only. So hopefully we saved up all our luck for this Prizm break. Hopefully we're hitting some monster cards. We'll crack the cellos first, then we'll go to the blasters, and then the hanger box, because the hanger boxes have been the best I've seen so far. And then we'll do the mega box at the end. Falling Dolphins, Bears, Giants. No, Falcons. Falcons, sorry about that, Joe. Anthony's cherry popping ceremony. Who's Anthony got? Anthony's got the 49ers at least. Hope you hit a monster. A little bit of Brandon Ayuk. Anyways, like I said, all the rookies will be sleeved. Bigger cards will be sleeved. The bigger rookies will be sleeved and top loaded if we hit anything really cool. I got a couple magnetics ready to go. We'll go through a list. Oh, players, they'll go to the jersey. I should say the cards will go to the jersey, not the player. So if we pull the Brady and a Patriots, it's going to the Patriots. Had some issues with that in the past, but I think that's it for disclosures. Hopefully we hit some monsters tonight. I'm going to go through a list of who's got what, and then we'll start cracking. Brett J, you got the Cardinals. Richard H, the Ravens. Drew M, the Bills. Ronald C, the Panthers. Tracy H, the Browns. Keith N, you got the Cowboys. Michael P, the Broncos. Jeremy W, the Lions. Albert H, the Packers. Christopher K, Texans. Randy W, the Colts. Brett J, the Jaguars. Jeff T, the Chiefs. Michael P, the Raiders. Brett J, the Chargers. Joe C, the Rams. Michael H, the Vikings. Michael P, the Patriots. Jonathan S, you got the Saints. Brett J, the Bengals. Chandler P, the Jets. Tracy H, the Steelers. Anthony V, the 49ers. Jonathan S, the Eagles. Augustine G, you got the Seahawks. Michael P, the Buccaneers. Augustine G, you got the Titans. Rory J, the Dolphins. And Elvis T, you got the Washington football team. Now you guys want those unsold teams. I'll sell them for $2 a piece. Falcons for 2, Bears for 2, and Giants for 2. First one to say gets them. If you don't want them in the next minute or two, we'll start cracking. So Albert, who do you want? You wanted all 3, Albert? You were the first one to say yes, so I'm going to give you a shot at all 3. It will be $2 plus $1 for shipping, just so you're aware. If you want all 3, it's going to be $9 total. There is the place to send it. Albert H., you got which team? So you're with the Packers as well there? I shot the PayPal address right there. Alright, let's crack this stuff. Let's go. Bengals, Chargers, Jags, and Cards. Haven't started cracking them yet, brother. We're about ready to go right now. Oh, you looking for who else you might have, Brett? Brett J. You got the Cardinals. Brett J. You got the Jaguars, Chargers, Bengals, and I think that's it. Alright, here we go. I trust you, Albert. We will get ready to go, and you are the proud owner of those 3 teams. Let's get the bonus packs out of the way first. These will be the red, white, and blues. Good luck, everybody. Hope you all hit a monster. Teams were fairly inexpensive tonight, which is kind of nice. Nice to see everybody able to get in on a nice break for a good price. Beautiful things. First one, Stephon Diggs. We got Marvin Jones Jr. And a rookie, red, white, blue. Has a helmet on, which is kind of nice. Jason Huntley for the Detroit Lions. Always colored Prizms will go in sleeves and top loaders as well. And all the Prizms colors, doesn't matter who it is, they will get sleeved at least. Alright, that was bonus pack number 1. Hopefully these cards are all centered. I've noticed a lot in this product. If you run into a line of a couple of miscentered cards, you see a whole bunch in a row. But these ones, first pack looks pretty good. Sam Darnold, Phillip Rivers, Marlon Humphrey, Leighton Vander Esch, Noah Fant, Carson Wentz, Deion Jones. Thank you very much there, sir. Richard Sherman, Taysom Hill, and our first green is not a rookie. It's going to be Zach Ertz. Well, that's cool. I like that green on green. That's a pretty card. Just because it's really nice and I like it, I'm going to go ahead and sleeve that one right away. And I'll top load it too. Get in there, Zach. Happy Compy, safe in a sleeve, and top loader. Next up, we got an emergent, Clyde Edwards-Helaire, and a rookie, Xavier McKinney, to the Giants. Still a pack number 1 in the books. And the second one, going to be a pain in the rear end. Bonus pack first, red, white, and blues. Really like to pull a nice silver quarterback tonight. That'd make my night happy. First up, we got Dalvin Tomlinson, Brian Bosworth, and a rookie. No helmet, that'll be a combine player. Derek Brown. If you're going to get a defensive guy, he's not bad. We will take him. Happy Compy, safe in a sleeve, and top loader. Pack number 2. It's going to be a pain in the rear. All right, there we go. Will Fuller, Mark Brunell, Jarvis Landry, Saquon, Landon Collins, Hunter Henry, Kyle Juszczyk, Jarrett Cook, Devontae Adams, and our green is a base green, Kevin Bird. We got a brilliance of Chris Carson, and our rookie, another combine guy, Devin Asiasi. Happy comfy, safe in his sleeve. Here we go with the last of our cello packs. I've had kind of mixed reviews on the cellos. I've had some really good ones and some really stinkers, but you just never know. Stuff's getting harder and harder to find. Got a little bit put away, but you never have enough. We got Danny Dimes, Trey Flowers, and our rookie is wearing a helmet. It's going to be the Rams. Cam Akers. There's a nice one. Little Cam Akers, red, white, and blue. Best of our rookies thus far. I think he's going to have a great career. Give him some playing time, and he's going to be monster. I like it. Happy comfy. Safe in his sleeve. And top loader. Who's got them Rams? Joe C. Last of our cello packs. Xavier Howard, Cam Hayward, Jamison Crowder, Antonio Gates, Kevin Bird, Darius Slayton, Chris Carson, Chris Godwin. Gotta love Cam. That's why we buy those Rams. We ain't buying Rams for Jared Goff. Preston Smith. And our green's a rookie. That's a positive. It looks like purple. It's going to be Jeff Gladney. Another good defensive back for them Vikings. Minnesota Vikings. Michael H., you're on the board. With a fairly well-centered green. It's just slightly off, right to left. Top to bottom, it looks good. Happy comfy, safe in the sleeve, and top loader. Then we got Fireworks, Josh Jacobs, and our rookie. It's got some nice color. Buffalo Bills, Jake Fromm, State Farm. Like rookie quarterbacks, faux show. He might not get an opportunity for a little while. I think he might have to get traded, though, before he gets some time. I don't know if he's going to be passing up old Josh Allen anytime soon. But it's weird, like any of those quarterbacks, man, like Jacob Eason even. As soon as they found out old Rivers is talking about retirement, his cards went to the moon. And they're still going up. Alright, that was the cellos. We're going to go to the blasters next because I'm kind of waiting on the hanger. I like the hangers. Blaster box number 1. And there's our empty box. We got 6 packs, 4 cards per pack. Let's see what else we can do. Got some nice rookies out of the cellos. Got a little bit of room for improvement. We can still do it. Let's go. Byron Murphy. Bruce Smith. Josh Uche, rookie from Michigan. And really nice disco Prizm, Lamar Jackson. It's a pretty card, and that is quite well centered. We got our kid reporter, so we're going to go ahead and sleeve this and top load it quick because that is a nice card. Out to them Ravens. Baltimore Ravens are from Richard H. Happy Comfy. Safe and sleeve and top loader. We'll go ahead and sleeve up this Uche real quick. I like to sleeve up the rookies right away. I don't care who they are. It could be Josh Uche, it could be Joe Burrow, it could be Justin Herbert. They're all getting treated the same. Pack number 2. I love that Lamar. Great card, first pack. Calvin Ridley. James Conner. Travis Kelce. Another rookie. Does have a helmet. Could be Dobbins, maybe? Oh, no, Devin Duvernay. Out to them Ravens. Ravens with the Discos. The Disco Inferno. Raven box. Come on, Devin. Get in there. Thought it was Dobbins at first, but he's happy comfy. Safe in his sleeve and top loader. So these must be Target blasters. The Walmart one's got the lasers. Target one's got the... That's weird. Ken Anderson. There's an old Bengals quarterback. Oh, snuck up on me. Nice Chase Claypool. Base rookie card of the Steelers. And it looks pretty good. I like that. That guy's a monster. Hits close to my heart because I am a big Steeler fan. Matter of fact, a couple breaks ago I hit a redemption for a Claypool pink autograph for somebody. Beautiful. They're like a gold. It's really difficult to tell what I think they're called gold. But let's take a peek at the box and see what they say. They say base or rookie disco prisms, but to me they look like an orangey gold. Like this one looks more gold than orange, this Gates. It's like it's a little bit lighter than what the kid reporters would be. It's definitely not Bengal orange. Brian Burns. Mike Gesicki. There's our mem card. Or Brandon Ayuk. Rookie gear. Getting his cherry popped with a Brandon Ayuk. That is a pretty card, man. That is shiny. Got the red. Must be from one of the numbers. Get in there, Brandon. Happy comfy. Safe in a sleeve. Got to put him off to the side. Then we got a Devin White. No Tuas yet, Rory. We just got started. We cracked the cellos. Nothing super spectacular yet. We are just into the first blaster right now. Got KJ Wright. Devin Bush. Rookie of LaVisca Chenault. We got a rookie Disco with a helmet on. It's usually a positive. Ben DiNucci. Nice little quarterback. And LaVisca, happy comfy, safe in his sleeve, and we will get DiNucci. Out to them Cowgirls. Who knows what's going to happen with him? How long is it going to take Dak to get back? Happy Comfy. Safe and asleep and top loader. Last pack of the first blaster. First card off the top, a GOAT. We're going to get him sleeved up right away because he's the GOAT. So I like Tom Brady. Everybody else likes Tom Brady, even though I'm a darn Ohio State fan. Mr. Brady came from Michigan. Can't hate on what the guy's done. Turned Tampa from a bummer to a winner. We got Willie McGinnis. It looks like our rookie. Hopefully that's rookie. Is the silver. It is not a rookie. I thought it was right in the silver, right in the rookie spot too. Jelani Tavai. Silver. And an Alvin Kamara Brilliance. That one caught me. I thought we had a rookie silver. Hey Dan, quick. Let me get with Dan here real quick. I had a little dispute with the guy. I thought it was you that won. I'm gonna go back. Actually, I have my wife going back through it right now. I thought your comment of "Go Jazz" was the 43rd. Guy was saying that was the 44th, so I'm having the wife go through it right away. She's gonna go through it right now, and like I said, I'm pretty sure it was yours. So I will definitely shoot you a message, Dan, and let you know for sure. I'm gonna go through it again right after this break. So, what's going on, Dan? Like I said, I was just talking to you, brother. I am hearing you. Go ahead with your question there, Dan. Okay, so you were just wondering about it. Like I said, I will be going through it. Like I was 99% sure the Go Jazz was the right comment, but there was a guy that did question it. He said, well, I won. That was the 44th comment. So, like I said, I'm having the wife go through it just to make sure and find out what's going on exactly with it. I'm going to do my best to not do that particular random anymore because it was too much of a pain. We ended up with like 430 some comments, 490 comments, and the video wouldn't let me update. So we will find out. We will get it right for you. Joe Montana, Joe Namath, Cortland Sutton, and our disco does have a helmet on. Looks like it's going to be Titans, maybe? Darrington Evans. That's a little disco rookie. We like those. I'd like to find a disco Herbert. Those are pretty. I will for sure let you know what happens, brother. Like I said, I want to get things right, so I'm going to verify it. This break came up on me pretty quick, so I only had a little bit of time to try to figure it out. But we will get it right, I promise you. Traquan Smith. Leonard Fournette. Rookie. Does have a helmet on, that's a positive. Antonio, ooh, that's a nice one. Antonio Gibson. Look to them there skins. The Washington football team. Mildly off center. Left to right. And you've seen that a ton with this Prizm product. They're either perfect or they're not that great. But this is nice. I will take that, Washington, all day. Happy Comfy. Safe in his sleeve and top loader. Alright, Dan, like I said, I will let you know for sure. One way or another, I will message you and let you know. Do you follow the Facebook page, Dan? Because if you do, it'll be a lot easier for me to message you. We got a Malcolm Butler. nice first card again. Aaron Rodgers. Guy's having a monster year. Hopefully he can lead them Packers to the Super Bowl. Dan Marino. Hunter Renfrow. And Dalvin Cook. Disco. It's nice. Up to the Vikings. I like these discos. I think I do like the discos better than I like the lasers. Karen is looking for a Colt rookie card. Maybe she's looking for a little bit of Jonathan Taylor. I'm going to do my best for you. That might be the first name I heard called out. Sometimes. Christian Kirk. And this pack is going to be off-center. David Johnson. Rookie card. It's got a nice color. Raekwon Davis had the right color for a Tua, but we got a Raekwon Davis. We got that same color on this disco. Oh, Jacksonville. Jake Luton. Saw that same color, it looked like, but as soon as I saw the picture, I knew she wasn't Tua. Raekwon sleeved up, and Jake. This car is actually pretty well centered. I don't know what's up with Prizm's quality control this year. Like I said, I've seen a lot of off-centered stuff. Maybe that makes the Big Tens even more valuable. Two more packs of the second blast. Mike Vick. The Dog Fighter. Kenny Stills. Rookie. With a helmet on. That's positive. Jason Huntley. Could have swore we've seen him already once today. And our mojo is DJ Baby Shark. Thought we might have seen a Huntley already. We'll find out later. We'll get Shark sleeved up. Come on, Jonathan Taylor. Come say hello. Got 3 boxes and this pack left. Maybe we'll get lucky and pull an auto. Well, I know we'll get 1 auto. We're supposed to get 1 for sure out of the Megas. Although, there have been those times where you hit them silly points and they replace them. Harrison Smith. Quinnen Williams. The silver. Will it be a rookie? It is not a rookie. It's going to be Earl Thomas. A little bit of old school silver. And we got a Brilliance of Chris Carson. That's actually a really nice looking silver. Earl Thomas out to them Ravens. I wish that was a big rookie, man, because that card is pristine. That card is gorgeous. But a lot of guys like Earl Thomas. Rory's looking for a 2X Tua. Woo. Might as well get a silver and a mojo, maybe. A little disco. I'd just like to get 1. I'd like to pull 1 of each of the big rookies. I do like predictions. They're quite fun. I didn't even throw out no names today. That's weird. David Montgomery. Brian Bosworth. And a rookie. To the Broncos. KJ Hamler. I was thinking Judy for a second. And we got a Gardner Mustache as our mojo. Disco. There's Hamler. Happy Comfy. Safe in his sleeve. Get Minshew over there. Cam Akers auto. I like that. You know what's funny? We cracked 2 Megas one night, and a guy did call the first autograph. He called it right off the top, and he tried for the second one and missed, but it was kind of cool. It was like a Hank Blacklock or somebody weird. Melvin Ingram. Ronald Jones, Sony Michel, and our Disco will be a rookie with a helmet on. From Tennessee, Darrell Taylor, Seahawks. Oh, this has to be a, so I had a little bit of mix. I had some Target and some Walmarts. These are lasers. So you see the little difference between the lasers and the, see if I can find one, lasers and the discos. I personally like the discos better, but that's the difference. Gross Matos and Jeremy Chan looking for a little bit of a Carolina Panthers, huh? All right. John Smith. Oh, the game. You know what? I completely forgot about the game tonight. Who's in the lead? I heard it's a tight game. Kirk Cousins. Oh, there's a nice one. Henry Ruggs the third. That is a really nice looking card. Well centered. Corners look sharp. Surface looks real good. I don't see any print lines. Nice. And actually well centered. So, that is getting top loaded. Up to them Raiders. Jake Fromm is about the only hit I've seen so far for the Bills. And then we got a Kenny Golladay. Get Golden Tate. Cooper Kupp. And here's our mem card. Antonio Gandy Golden. Out to that Washington football team. And we got a Cooper Kupp laser. I think both of our... Oh no, we got the 49ers was on the first one. You know what, come to think of it, I don't think that second blaster had a mem card in it. So that's cool. I thought every one of them did, but apparently they don't. Jake Fromm, State Farm, that's right. He must have broke with me before, Drew. How is Jake Fromm, State Farm? Get Tyreek Hill. Dante Fowler Jr. Willie Gay Jr. out to the Chiefs. Rookie card. Similar color. It's going to be a Marlon Davidson out to the Falcons. The unsold Falcons. Nice little laser rookie. Happy Comfy. Saving his lead. And top loader. Last of our blaster packs. Then we'll move on to that hanger. I'm always looking forward to the hangers. I found the best rookies so far out of the hangers. Dwayne Haskins. Well, we got a silver in the rookie spot. Hopefully it's there. We got Fred Warner. And it is not a rookie. Darn it. Robert Woods. Silver. And a Fireworks. Tom Brady. I'll get both those sleeved up. I always hope to see those silvers as rookies. Most of the time, they're not. I think we're due for a monster, though. There's the GOAT. Hanger time. My favorite packs to break. Here we go. We're looking for hanger exclusive rookie variations. And from what I'm hearing, if there's a kid report on the back, which there is, you usually find the variations in there. So we'll see if that holds true. Here we go. My favorite boxes. David Montgomery, Melvin Ingram, Jonnu Smith, Golden Tate, Aaron Jones, DeAndre Hopkins, Eric Kendricks, Isaac Bruce, CMC, James White, Darren Fells, Curtis My Favorite Martian, rookie card. Ooh, there's your variation. Jalen Hurts. I like it. But now we got a silver behind it. So now I got to figure out what I want to do with it. Is it going to be a rookie? I'm going to get Jalen in a sleeve here. Silver is not a rookie, so I'm not going to be too super spectacular about it. But it is a nice Mike Evans. And Jalen, mildly off center. But ain't nobody complaining about a Jalen Hurts. The variations are black and white. Very, very pretty cards. Nice card, Eagles. Who got them Eagles? Who got Philly? Jonathan S. Our silver Mike Evans, I've got to sleeve him up too. These are our red ice. Kenny Stills. Hunter Renfrow. DK Metcalf, and this is usually a rookie. Yep. Combine. Kyle Duggar. Patriots. We got an emergent rookie card. LaVisca Chenault. And our last rookie, combine again, Patrick Queen. I guess rookie of the year, potential Patrick Queen. Out to them Ravens. Not a bad thing. Get these guys sleeved up real quick, and we'll get into that mega and see if we can pull a monster auto. Now, bear in mind, it does say one auto on average. Like I said, they've schooled me on points before, them dirty buggers, but John's looking to buy that LaVisca, the LaVisca Emergent. Jags owner is Brett J. You big, you a LaVisca fan there, John? I do have a nice one. If you want to message me out, I was opening up some playoff and I pulled a Contenders autograph. I think it was the 25. Just kind of sitting on it. Mega box time. If we find the auto early, we'll set her aside and leave her sit. Can't get the auto early. You think he's? Oh, you think old Lawrence is going to Jacksonville, huh? They might go with Justin Fields. He looked really good in the Clemson game, but he looked really terrible in the Bama game. Shoot me a message afterwards, and I'll shoot you a picture of it and see what you think. Shoot me an offer. Are you on my Facebook page, John? I can pop you up there. We got Joe Thomas, Joe Theismann, And our rookie, no helmet, AJ Terrell. His ribcage might be broke after that game. He was taking a beating. That's right, ribs heal. I am an Ohio State fan and a Steelers fan, so really wouldn't hurt my feelings to see him go there, but I know he's not going to. Hunter Henry. Sounds good, John. We got Gronk. We got a Brilliance. Tom Brady. Don't hate that. And our rookie card also looks like a Buccaneers. Tyler Johnson. It's a good rookie. If you're a Bucks buyer, you're going to look for Brady and Tyler Johnson for sure. And we'll put the GOAT where he belongs. Get in there, Tom. Happy Comfy. Safe in the sleeve and top loader. Jordan Jenkins. Phillip Lindsay. Nick Bosa. And the rookie's going to be Michael Ojemudia. I hate saying names that I can't pronounce. Out to them Broncos. Alright, we've avoided the autograph so far. 7 packs left. Here's a stubborn one. Could be in there. Super stubborn. Sam Hubbard. And Danny Amendola. Old school Donald Driver. And our rookie, Terrell Lewis. Definitely had my best luck pulling rookies, big rookies out of the hangers. Not a ton of luck out of the blasters. I've had good luck out of the cellos. And every once in a while you pull one out of the megas, but we'll see if it goes. Sean Lee. I have silver in here. Aeneas Williams. Non-rookie silver again. Big Ben. Being a Steelers guy, I do like Big Ben. And our rookie is Trayvon Diggs, the Cowboys. Get this nice silver Ben sleeved up. Pretty. And we'll get rid of our kid reporter. Trayvon. Happy Comfy. 5 packs left. Here we go. Still waiting on our monsters. Kenny Moore. Dallas Goedert. Emergent. Clyde Edwards-Helaire. And our rookie has got a helmet on. Looks like it's going to be Raiders. Lynn Bowden Jr. Clyde. Worst break I've seen in terms of the amount of. There's no doubt, man. With the Prizm, I've seen it's. I don't know why they have so many combine guys. Like they had a ton of time to put photos together. I don't get it. Like Prizm just came out when late November, early December. They had more than enough time. Even Photoshop the uniforms on. A lot of them do, but Tyler Boyd, Damian Williams, Drew Brees, Put a helmet on this guy. We got a helmet. We got a quarterback. Looks like it's going to be, I'm going to guess, Jacob Eason. There we go. I'll take a Jacob Eason. Out to them Colts. I believe somebody way earlier in this break was looking for a Colts rookie. And that's not a bad one. Especially with Rivers retiring. I like it. A Jacob Eason rookie. It's funny, when I was talking about Colts rookies earlier, I was thinking Jonathan Taylor, but I forgot about Eason. Eason's got better potential than Taylor. I mean, Taylor's a beast, but I'll take a quarterback over a running back all day long. Brandon Cooks. We'll have I believe that is the green an auto? I think it sometimes is, so I'm going to set that one down just in case. I got a feeling that might be it, because I know the greens are autos most times. You're very welcome, Karen. Well, that's another green one. Tremaine Edmonds? I don't know. I don't know which one's which. TJ Hawkinson? I guess we're going to have to gamble. Pick one or the other. We got D.D. Westbrook. Landon Collins. Shaq Griffin. And a rookie card is a Green Bay Packers. Could it be Joe? There we go. Jordan Love. Finally getting some quarterback rookies. Took right till the mega box to do it. We got the Jordan Love and the Jacob Eason out of this box. That's a good box. Again, man, I can't wait to see what he can do when he finally gets his opportunity. Happy Comfy. Safe in the sleeve and top loader. Well, hopefully that continues with these packs. Which one's going to be the autograph? Well, that is a rookie. We'll go with TJ Hawkinson. Rookie. Green. No helmet. Not the autograph. It's going to be Damon Arnett. That's a good thing. And a rookie is Jordan Brooks. We will get Damon Arnett. Little green Prizm out to them Raiders. Happy Comfy. Safe in the sleeve and top loader. We will get Jordan Brooks sleeved up. And hopefully that last card is going to be something real good. We'll have to find out here in shortly. Should we sneak up on the rookie card first? That's weird. Jeff Okudah. Good defensive player for the Lions. What are we going to do with this? It's not a rookie. It's not an autograph. We missed out on an autograph. That has happened to me twice now. Blake Jarwin. Wow, man, what a rough goal. I don't get it. I'm going to be messaging Panini and say there's been 2 breaks I've done with mega boxes and not hit an autograph. That is rough. Todd Gurley. We'll get an Okudah. Well, I guess we got to do a best of what we got hit parade. That was tough, man. It was a tough night for sure. All right, let's go with what we got. Yeah, sorry about that, Rory, man. This was a tough break. Like I said, the hoops was tough tonight. It was just a not great night all around. Brandon Ayuk, rookie gear. I will definitely refund your shipping, sir. Sorry about that. Antonio Gandy-Golan. The Jeff Okuda. And Blake Jarwin, green. Damon Arnett, green. Jordan Love. And Jacob Eason. Tom Brady, brilliance. Mike Evans, silver. Kyle Duggar, red ice. Patrick Queen, base. Jalen Hurts, variation. Marlon Davidson, laser. Henry Ruggs. Jake Luton, disco. And Antonio Gibson, base. We got Darrington Evans, disco. Tom Brady. Got the Ben DiNucci. Chase Claypool. Devin Duvernay, disco. One of my favorite cards of the break, even being a Steeler fan. Lamar Jackson, disco. Got the Jake Fromm, State Farm. Jeff Gladney, green. Cam Akers, red, white, and blue. Another one of my favorite cards of the break. Derek Brown, red, white, and blue. Zach Ertz, green. And the Jason Huntley, red, white, and blue. That is it for this break. I'll be breaking again, not again until next week, probably Saturday. Look for my breaks on eBay. I believe my wife has been listing some new ones up for me tonight. Gotta have some better luck than we did this week. This was a rough week. But I guess on that note, it's going to be it for me. I'll try to upload these videos that we did tonight on YouTube. Should be up in the next hour or so. Worst case scenario, I'll have them up in the morning. Thank you guys again for joining me tonight. If you haven't yet, follow my Facebook page. You guys will be the next to know, or the earliest to know what I'm breaking. And oftentimes I do bonus drawings. You guys will know which breaks to bid on. I think that's about it, guys. I'll have these cards out to you hopefully Monday morning. You guys should have them early next week. On that note, thank you guys again. Good night, everybody.